Hi, I'm Nick Coubray, CEO of Howick Limited. We're a third generation family business and we've been in operation here in Howick for over 45 years. The business started as a small engineering shop and we've now grown to do fully automated steel framing machinery for building houses, apartments, modular bathrooms, hotels, all manner of construction. We export to over 85 countries, mainly Europe, US and Australia are our big core markets. Industry 4.0 is the bringing together of data and manufacturing techniques to enable us to build things better and faster with more control. So here at Howick Limited, we build everything end to end, start to finish, from the machines, the software, all the parts, everything. So the way we use Industry 4.0 is to transfer data and information between departments from design to manufacture and then to customer support at the end. One of the most recent ones we've done is we've brought in a tooling management system for our CNC machines. It controls all the consumables, all the parts, all the measuring equipment, so we can control, is it in date, is it been used well, its wear life, and also the cost of individual components. So it gives us a lot of visibility to how we're manufacturing things and are we doing it in a cost-effective manner. Any little thing that helps us to be smarter about what we're doing, to control it better, does help us be productive. Over the last 5 years, we've been implementing an ERP system across the whole company. So that ties in all our orders and customer tracking right through to then our design work. So all our designs are tracked through the company for hours spent on them and all the costs along the way. Then on to our CNC manufacturing to manufacture parts so we can pass the models through to get rid of old paper drawings and track time and material usage through the business. This allows us to kind of see what's going on and how we're performing. We do a lot of custom one-off stuff, so it's really interesting to see what variations have on the effect of the business. The main challenges have been adoption, because while we do a lot of different things in the company, we're not a very large company, we have about 50 staff. So to bring all the different departments together and to implement new systems is always a bit of a challenge. Now we have screens out on the shop floor, so all the employees can access information as they need it. They can clock in and out of jobs. They can see the information they need without having to go to find someone else to find it for them. So that's been a huge help, but it is a long path to get there, to that point. So the machines that we sell to the builders and the construction companies, they're using another level of BIM, which is building information modelling. So they go from the architectural model to the engineer's model to the fabrication model to our machines, which make all the parts, and they enable automation further down the path for robot assembly or manual assembly and modular buildings. And then you also have a model at the end that is a digital twin of what you've built. So that process has changed probably over the last 30 years from something very simple, of PDF drawings, to now a full scalable model with all the data points in it. We do a lot of business development and R&D. That's probably one of the biggest things we spend our money on. As far as developing the business overseas, the whole construction industry, which we're very focused on, is a bit quiet at the moment, but it's in a step change. There's a huge amount of automation coming, there's new products, there's lots of things going on across the segment. And again, all driven by data modelling, and Industry 4.0 is a big part of that. So we now have a lot of information that we didn't used to have that allows us to build things. The world wants value and consistency and productivity, and through the tools that we build and the tools that we use, we can deliver that. One of the key problems is understanding what you need to do before you start. We started building models for some of the systems in the business, and then halfway through obviously had to change them because they weren't quite right. R&D is a huge piece of it. You do have to test it, you have to understand how it's going to work and what it's going to deliver for you. You go through a bit of pain to get there, but then there's a huge benefit on the back end of all the savings once things are automated.